Hi viewers, welcome to this data science part 3. In our previous video, we have shown how to configure and how to install this Java as well as the Hadoop. But because some last part of this video it was not visible, so how to configure this Hadoop, because without configuration of this Hadoop it won't work. So for this configuration of the Hadoop, what we do, just you go to the My PC, right click here, then you go to the property. In this property, now you see the advanced system setting. In this advanced system setting, you go to the environmental variables. In the environmental variables, here you create a new and name it as Hadoop underscore home. Okay, so because for this Hadoop configurations, you are following me. So already I have done that one. You click new. So once you click new, it will ask you variable name. You type it Hadoop underscore home. Then where Hadoop is installed, my Hadoop is installed in d colon slash Hadoop hyphen 3.3.0 bin slash bin. Up to this you copy paste in the variable value. Okay, are you getting me? So these are the things you have to do it here. Once it is done, then you go to the path. Then in the system variable you go to the path and there you edit. Okay, in this edit you can find it here. The same thing also I have done it here. D, just to create a new. In the new D Hadoop hyphen 3.3.0 slash bin is 1 and then slash sbin is 1. So 2 times you have to do it. D Hadoop hyphen 3.3.0 slash bin. Okay, then again a new, then D Hadoop hyphen 3.3.0 slash sbin. So when all the things are completed, then our path setting is complete. Okay, so once this path setting is complete, then I think you are ready for these things. And just after that, what you are going to do, yeah, we are going to D Hadoop. This is the thing. This is the thing. Yeah, go give you 1 minute time. Yeah, let us see this thing first. What are the thing is happening? This is there. I think for that you have to, yeah. Then what you have to do? Let me see. Yeah, this you can check it here. D Hadoop file input directory. Yeah. Then what you need to do? Then immediately go for the command prompt. Just you type here cmd. Once you type here cmd, just type, I am typing cmd. Then you right click this command prompt and run as administrator. Run as administrator. Once you run it here, and this command prompt it will appear like this. Okay. Here what you need to do, you need to run this command. What is our command I have given? That is hdfs space name node space hyphen format. Are you following me? So you need to type hdfs space name node space hyphen format. So once you run this program, it will show everything, it is running fine. So you can see all the things, everything it has run here, successfully it is running, right? So once it is there, then you minimize all things. Then what you need to do, then you go to our D drive where you have installed all things. You go to D drive Hadoop 3.3.0 slash sbin. Then here what I did, because I was not getting the data node here. You can see it here when I'm previously I'm typing the JPS Java file system. So I'm getting only so resource manager, node manager, name node, data word node manager. Then what I did it there. So stop all sh, just I did there. Then what I did it, before starting all things, then I started the previous one what I have just shown you. Then I go for the start all sh. Okay, after this I tried to do it here, still it was not there, it was not coming. Then I stopped all, everything I stopped here. Okay, get it done. Then stop all sh, then start all cmd. Okay, then when I start all cmd, the all files were started now. Okay, so after the starting, then when I press this jps, then you can see node manager is coming, resource manager is coming, name node is coming, jps data node which was not coming, data node is also coming. So once the data node came, then that means everything is successfully there, everything successfully installed. Then what we need to do, according to our run, the next command we are supposed to give it here, because till now everything is there, start command was there. Then we have to create a directory. In the Hadoop we have to create a directory, that is input directory. Okay, so for that what we do, so this is the command we copied and pasted Hadoop fs space hyphen make directory slash input directory. So it has successfully created a directory there. Then what I have to do, I have taken this text file. Already I told you that one jar file and text file already we have downloaded and kept it there in the D drive. That I will show you also, and I will give the source where you can download. Then those things, then I want to copy this file to the directory. Okay, this file input underscore file dot text I want to copy to the input underscore directory. Then for that, what is the command? Hadoop space fs. So this is the put command, hyphen put from D, put this input file dot text into this folder input directory. Then it has also taken, it has successfully installed there. Okay, then what we need to do, then I have to check all the things are there or not. So for that, Hadoop space fs hyphen ls input directory. Input directory, what is there? It is saying it is found one item and that name is some one file is there. The file name is input underscore file dot text. Okay, then I want to see that. For that, you know the cat command you have to use. So Hadoop space dfs space hyphen cat. In this input directory, this input underscore file dot text I want to check that one. So it has shown in this file I have taken this thing. Once it has shown everything, it has come, then I have to run that map reduce client.jar. So this file also already downloaded, I kept in the D drive. Then what I did, Hadoop space jar space D in the D drive map reduce client.jar. Then word count input directory. This is the, for this file I want to apply the word count for this thing. Okay, then it is running, the file is running successfully, and you can see everything is running successfully. It is there here. Then what I need to do, then I have to see the output directory. That means how many times A is there, A is there, B is there, C is there, up to Z things are there. But here I want to count how many times A is there, B is there, C is there. For that, what I do, Hadoop space dfs cat output directory, all the things I want to count. Now it has successfully counted, and it has shown you how many number of files are there, how many number of these words are there, A how many times, B. So even if you can go for some words, I have taken only alphabets A B C D, you can take the words, it will count how many times this is there, the word A, and all things you can also check it there. So once everything it is done successfully, then we are here, then we can go for Hadoop DFS card. They already have run these things. Then to leave these things in the safe mode, then we have to run this program. So you have to copy this program, Hadoop DFS admin safe mode leave. So Control C, and I run this program here, right? So Control V. So once Control V, yeah, then I run it here. Then it is saying C depreciated. There is a government. So instead use this AJS command. Okay, then it is saying safe mode is up. Okay, now I have just come out of this safe mode. Once it is there, once it is there, run. Once it is there, then I have to remove this file first. What is the file name? Input file dot text. Then I have to remove this directory. For removing this file, what I did it, Control C, and I put it here. And Control V, and I entered it there. Then what it will do, from this input directory, it will remove that input file dot text. So it is deleting. So remove. Okay, it is there. It is the file is there, and it is already input there. Okay, so it will remove that file. Hadoop fs hyphen rm input directory, the input file dot txt. Okay, this file will remove, and also you can remove the directory also. For removing the directory also, the command, you know, this is the command for removing. Yeah, this is the directory, you can do it here. Okay, so yeah, Control C, and if you put it here, yeah, Control V and enter, then it will, maybe it will delete, or maybe that it was unable to trace that file. First it will remove that file, then it will remove the directory. So there is nothing to worry, it will remove. Okay, now we were able to successfully run our first program. In this program, it was able to count the words, how many times A is there, 2 times A is there. So it is there or not, how can I check it there? Suppose I go for that text file, he is telling A is 2 times available, B is 2 times available. Let me check whether A is available 2 times or 1 time. So yeah, it is here, and we can go for the backup. Then we see the input file. In the input file, you check it here, how many times A is there. So here A is 1 time, this row, here not there, here not there, here not there, here not there, here A is 1 more time. So A is 2 times available. Similarly B is 1 time, then beige one more time, beige 2 times. So like that it has already counted for you and it has shown you. So I hope now you understand the basic concept, how to download, install Java, then Hadoop, and then go for the configuration of all these files. And one more thing I will tell you, there was a small modification in the core site. You can check it here. In the core site.xml, we previously were using fs.default.name. That was for the old version, it was .name. For the new thing, just you write fs, capital F, capital S, and control save it. So this is the only thing you do it, remaining further as it is. I hope you enjoyed this programming, and if you really like this program, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel also. And thank you, take care of your health, goodbye.